Oh, no, 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 I'm not going there.
It's gonna be flight 3372. Looks like the 8 group's already lined up. Thank you. And you'll be holding on to your seat boarding group. Please stay seated. Anyone else that's requesting for medical pre-boards, come on up. And families, if you guys have your little ones with you, they are on the day. I'll call for families after the A's. So pre-ampa. All right, A1 to A30, come on, guys.
Do me a favor, those backpacks and those purses need to go down by your feet where they are, or a duffel bag that's going to go up on top. If you have more than that, either consolidate it or take your largest item over to customer service to get 8.
Let them know you're number one.
Got it.
Roll you back like this.
Oh, yeah.
No.
That would
Someone at the bottom's gonna catch you.
yeah, that scares me.
Maybe.
Okay, don't turn around until I hit your face.
Right. You want to hit the back of your head or your face? Right. Soft rock and roll. Yeah, my pleasure. You have a wonderful day and safe travels.
Sorry. Sorry, go ahead. You're right, bad. I thought it'd be a thing to do with that.
Oh, no, it's okay. Sorry, hon.
Still pre-boarding. You still pre-boarding? You're the gentleman. Okay. Gentleman right here, General.
Yes.
Good morning. Up in the overhead bin. So for now, put that underneath the seat in front of you. If you're traveling with a jacket, hold on to it still. It does get chilly on the aircraft. You may want it, or just wait till the end of the boarding process once again. You'll see it as well. The back half of the plane still has a bunch of empty rows. Make your way on back here. If you're in the front row and you don't have a seat in front of you, all the personal belongings must go in the overhead bin space for takeoff, taxi, and landing. Once again, that's for right front row only. We're looking at a full flight. Every single seat is expected to be taken. Please ensure only that larger bag is going in the overhead bin space for now. Thank you and welcome aboard.
Basically, she ain't reliable. Tracy's supposed to be going to this other girl. Doing it. And I was like, you ready to put on high top?
To Chicago, we're expecting a 100% full flight. This plane seats 142. We are booked to 143. We have open seating at Southwest. Don't choose any seat you like once you've done so. We do ask you step out of the aisle. Let the people behind you find their seat as well. Under the seat in front of you, the only bags should be going into the overhead bin space are the larger roller bags, the larger carry-ons. They go in the overhead bin space. Please ensure once again smaller items go underneath the seat in front of you. We want to be courteous to the people still trying to get on the plane, and we don't want to have complimentary snacks, soft drinks, juice, and coffee. Premium selections, including alcohol, are also available for purchase or by redeeming a valid digital drink coupon or business select coupon in the beverage menu in your seat back pocket, or you can go to the Southwest beverage menu at southwestwifi.com where these options are displayed. This
aircraft's Wi-Fi equipped. We hope you enjoy our free TV and movie options. Internet service may be purchased for $8. For more information, check out the beverage menu in your seat back pocket on Wi-Fi. Small portable electronic devices such as cell phones and tablets may be used in airplane mode for all phases of the flight. The cellular functions must be turned off once the forward entry door has been closed. If you're seated in an emergency, the information card in the seat back pocket nearest you. If you do not meet all the selection criteria on the card, you're unable to perform the functions or believe that performing those functions may cause you harm, please let one of us know right now so we can reseat you. So that we may push back from the gate, please fasten your seatbelts. Raise your seat backs and tray tables to their full upright and locked position. Make sure all carry-on items are stowed completely underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin, leaving the area around your feet clear. Laptop computers and portable electronic devices of similar size must also be stowed at this time. If you wish to use them after takeoff, please stow them underneath the seat in front of you. Thank you for using Southwest Airlines. Welcome aboard.
It wasn't doing. I ain't never had a problem with
All right, everyone, thanks for joining us. This is 2:33. This is Southwest service on our way to Chicago's Midway Airport. Hey, Travis, going to get you there. It's going to take 3 hours and 3 minutes. Expect a mostly smooth flight. We'll have some choppy as we descend into the Chicago area based on current forecasts. It's a long one though. We may have light bumps here and there. If we do, just pay attention to that fast seatbelt sign on. If it's off, please remain seated. Their seatbelt securely fastened. Once we expect this smooth arrival, we'll get it turned off for you. Let's check in Chicago. Winds are out of the northeast, gusting a bit in the windy city, and mostly cloudy skies, 63 degrees. Expected to be partly to mostly cloudy on our arrival. It's our pleasure. Thanks for joining us on board this flight. Welcome.
Alright folks, forward entry door has been closed. Cell phones need to be in airplane mode, no more phone calls, and any other electronics in airplane mode as well. Flight attendant's arm and cross-check doors for pushback. Aft doors are armed and cross-check for pushback. Aft cabin is secure. attention for just a few moments. We like to point out the safety features of this Boeing 737-700 series. You'll find a safety information card in the seat back or literature pocket in front of you. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle, fully strapped tight. To release, lift up on the buckle, position your seatbelt tight and low across your hips, and wear it anytime you are seated. There are 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, and 2 exit doors in the back. Signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to exits. If an evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. In event of a water evacuation, use the life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container and remove the pouch. Remove the vest from the pouch as shown on the safety information card. Place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, buckle at the front, and pull to tighten. Once outside, pull down on the red tab to inflate the vest. To manually inflate, blow into the tube at your shoulder. Your vest also has a light that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for use of a life vest on an infant. Flight attendants will distribute additional vests if needed. We're coming by to check that your seatbelts fastened, your seat backs and tray tables are in their full, upright, and locked position, and all your carry-on items are completely underneath that seat in front of you or in an overhead bin, leaving the area around your feet clear. Smoking is not allowed on board, including the lavatories. The use and charging of electronic cigarettes is prohibited. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. It's also prohibited to consume alcohol that you have brought on this flight with you. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with the lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. If needed, 4 oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. If you're traveling with children or anyone needing special assistance, put your mask on first. Please remove any face coverings before donning an oxygen mask. We're here for your comfort and safety. Please report any unwelcome behavior to a flight attendant. Thank you for your attention. Now sit back, relax, enjoy this 3-hour and 3-minute flight into Chicago Midway. Welcome aboard Southwest Airlines.
Alright guys, we know it's getting a little bit warm in the cabin. If you want to shut those window shades just till we're closer to takeoff, it does help to keep the aircraft cool. And then look above you, there are airmen. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
Oh my goodness. Yes, it is. Or my
We're going to dim the cabin lights. If you need additional reading light, look above your head and push that picture of a light bulb.
mode.
beverage service. There's a menu in your seat back pocket that lists our complimentary beverages and beverages for purchase available. If you're unfamiliar with what we have to offer, please go ahead and take a look at that. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy this 3-hour flight. like to welcome you to Chicago Midway. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, seatbacks and tray tables in their full, upright, and locked position. All your carry-on items start where they're at. You may now use your cell phone as long as it's in arm's reach, and you do not have to release your seatbelt to retrieve it. When the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, please use caution when opening the overhead bins. Items may have shifted during flight and could fall out. If you're connecting here to another Southwest flight, please call out to the terminal and check for your flight and gate information. This is the termination of this flight. Please check around your seating area. Now's a good time to check in that seat back pocket. Make sure you have all your personal belongings. Once you step off this aircraft, you cannot come back on to retrieve anything. Ground service doors will be open for ground servicing. Make sure you go out the same door that you came in. We certainly enjoyed sharing a part of our day with you. We know you have many choices we fly. We sure thank you for choosing us here at Southwest Airlines. Go out and have a great rest of your day, rest of your week. Come back and see us soon. Welcome to Chicago. Flight attendants, disarm request, check doors for arrival. Aft doors are disarmed and cross check for arrival.
What'd you say, Tom? He was like, oh.
Thank you. Bye-bye.